So here we have the KENBAKless, another variation on the Kenbakuino. In this case, once again trying to simplify the hardware. So here I'm aggregating the hardware. All of the buttons are done as an 8x8 matrix board, and the LEDs are handled as NeoPixel strips, all shoehorned onto a blank shield on top of a Arduino Uno. So I can do all of the usual things: stop plus bit 1, start, place Cylon. But the other unusual thing here is because the alignment of LEDs and buttons is lost, I figured I might as well add an additional function. So if I go system, there's an extra button here, so I call that system plus bit 7 changes entry to octal mode. So now when I press 2, for example, that's octal 2, rather than being the particular bit. And similarly 7, 6, 0 enters octal, which is quite convenient when you're entering programs.